Have you ever found yourself staring at your Setmore calendar, wondering when that next appointment can actually happen? Or maybe you're a client trying to book a service, and you're thinking, why can't I book for tomorrow? If so, you're wrestling with something crucial in the world of online scheduling. Lead time. Lead time isn't just some techie jargon. It's the unsung hero that keeps your business running smoothly, prevents last-minute chaos, and ensures you're always prepared. Imagine a world where clients could book a deep tissue massage 5 minutes before they arrive, or a complex legal consultation with no prior notice. Sounds like a recipe for disaster, right? That's precisely what lead time in Setmore prevents. It's the buffer, the breathing room, the essential period you set to ensure you're always one step ahead. But what exactly is lead time on Setmore? And more importantly, how can you wield its power to optimize your schedule, reduce stress, and even enhance your client experience? Well, buckle up, because we're about to demystify this powerful feature and show you how to master it. At its core, lead time on Setmore is the minimum amount of time required between a client booking an appointment and the actual start time of that appointment. Think of it as a mandatory heads-up. If you set your lead time to 24 hours, a client looking to book a service on Tuesday at 2 p.m. wouldn't be able to book it any later than Monday at 2 p.m. It's a simple concept with profound implications for your business operations. Why is this so important? Let's break it down. First, preparation is key. Whether you're a hairstylist needing to prepare your station, a consultant needing to review client files, or a tutor needing to gather materials, lead time gives you that vital window. Without it, you'd constantly be scrambling, leading to errors, missed details, and a general sense of being overwhelmed. This isn't just about your efficiency. It directly impacts the quality of service you provide. A well-prepared service provider is a confident, effective, and ultimately more successful one. Second, managing your resources effectively. Consider a scenario where you have multiple staff members, specific equipment, or even physical space that needs to be allocated for each appointment. Lead time allows you to manage these resources proactively. If you know a booking is coming 48 hours in advance, you have ample time to ensure the right staff member is available, the necessary equipment is prepped, and your space is ready. This prevents scheduling conflicts, double bookings, and ensures a seamless workflow for your team. Third, reducing no-shows and last-minute cancellations. While not a direct magical cure, a reasonable lead time can subtly influence client behavior. When clients have a bit more time to consider their booking, and when you have more time to send out automated reminders, which Setmore excels at, the likelihood of them forgetting or needing to cancel at the last minute decreases. It sets a professional tone from the outset, implying that your time is valuable and requires proper scheduling. Fourth, maintaining work-life balance. This is often overlooked but incredibly significant. As a business owner or service provider, it's easy to feel like you're always on call. Lead time empowers you to create boundaries. You decide how much notice you need to comfortably accommodate a booking, ensuring you're not suddenly bombarded with appointments that disrupt your personal life or other critical business tasks. It's about being proactive with your time, rather than reactive. Now, let's talk about how to set and optimize your lead time in Setmore. It's incredibly straightforward, yet the decisions you make here will have a significant impact. In your Setmore account, you'll typically find the lead time settings within your individual service details or your general booking policies. You can set a global lead time that applies to all your services, or you can customize it for each specific service. This flexibility is incredibly powerful. For instance, a quick 15-minute phone consultation might only require an hour or two of lead time. However, a full-day workshop or a complex medical procedure might warrant a lead time of several days, or even a week, to allow for pre-consultations, material preparation, or specific client instructions. When deciding on your ideal lead time, ask yourself these questions. How much preparation does this service require? Be honest with yourself. Factor in everything from physical setup to mental preparation. Do I need to communicate with the client beforehand? If so, how much time is needed for that communication and any potential back and forth? What is my typical operational flow? Do I need time to travel between appointments, or to prepare for the next client in my current location? What is a reasonable expectation for my clients? While you want to protect your time, you also don't want to make it impossible for clients to book. There's a balance. Are there specific days or times I never want last-minute bookings? If so, a more generous lead time might be appropriate. A common mistake is setting lead time too short, leading to constant rush and stress. Another is setting it too long, potentially frustrating clients who need a quicker turnaround. The sweet spot is often discovered through a bit of trial and error, paying attention to your workflow and client feedback. Setmore also offers other complementary features that work in harmony with lead time, such as working hours, breaks, and buffer times between appointments. These all contribute to a robust and stress-free scheduling system. When lead time is combined with these other settings, you truly gain mastery over your calendar. You're not just accepting appointments, you're orchestrating your day, your week, and your business's future. Consider, too, how you communicate your lead time to your clients. While Setmore handles the technical enforcement, a clear statement on your website or booking page about your booking policies can manage expectations and reduce confusion. For example, to ensure we provide you with the best possible service, we require a minimum of 24 hours notice for all appointments. Transparency builds trust. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.